Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget channel. Today we will unbox, test and review the Mpow HC5 Bluetooth headset. Advanced Bluetooth technology, superior Qualcomm V5. Zero Bluetooth chip for stable connection and up to 50 feet/15 meters distance between your device with Mpow HC5 Bluetooth headset. Dual Bluetooth connectivity to two devices at the same time for calls and music. Seamless switch from working to relaxing. Crystal clear sound and noise cancelling mic, HD voice for crystal clear calls and music for better concentration on conversation. This wireless headset with CVC8. Zero noise cancelling mic to monitor and counter ambient noise for meeting open office and outdoor requirements. 270 degrees rotatable design to suit for left or right ear. Perfect for Skype chat, conference calls, call center, webinar. Note: the mute button can only be used on cell phone. If you need to mute on Skype or other calling software on PC, please set it through software. Long battery life and all-day comfort. Mpow HC5 Office wireless headset supports up to 22 hours for talking and 1.5 to 2 hours charging, over 200 hours standby time, always ready to answer or make a hands-free calls. Ultra soft, leather ear cushions with internal memory foam padding, and on-the-ear design for providing all-day on-the-go comfort. Adjustable leather headband for personalized fit. Moreover, 90-degree rotatable ear cups make the business headset perfect for space-saving storage. Wireless/wired mode optional. Mpow HC5 wireless Bluetooth headsets work with common calling applications for computers, tablets, and cell phones. 3.5mm audio cable packed for working with your devices, those which has no Bluetooth function, or prepare a Bluetooth receiver by yourself.